In the tire pressure interface, short press the up button to switch the tire pressure units bar and sign. In the tire pressure interface, long press the up button to enter, exit the tire pressure threshold setting. In the main interface, long press the up button to reset the Wi-Fi password. In the main interface, short press the OK button can switch to the tire pressure speed, longitude and latitude interface and recycle back to the main interface. In any interface, short press the P button to enter the emergency recording mode. In the main interface, short press the down button to switch the temperature units Celsius and Fahrenheit. Short press the OK button to enter the tire pressure interface. In any interface, long press P button to temporarily turn off motor vibration and tire pressure alarm sound. In the tire pressure interface, long press the button to enter the tire pressure pairing interface. Short press the OK button to start pairing the front tire pressure sensor, and then install the sensor. After the front wheel is successfully paired, start pairing the rear tire pressure sensor and install it. After pairing is completed, long press the down button again to exit. After the motorcycle is powered off, the machine will automatically activate the parking monitoring function when it detects vibration. The dash camera will automatically shut down after recording for 30 seconds. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motard or Visto. Enter the number to connect to Wi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. Click on the icon in the bottom right corner to display in full screen. Click this icon again to exit full screen mode. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it. After successful GPS positioning, the recorded video can be played to view the driving trajectory. You can also view it in full screen. Click on the video and you can edit it. You can only edit videos of about 30 seconds at most. After editing the video as needed, it can be shared. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, and other functions.